Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you recover deleted messages from Instagram chat recovery. So for that, at first just launch Instagram. Click the bottom last to your profile icon. Now after that, click the top right three dash icon. Click on your activity, the third option. Scroll down and click the last option, download your information. Now click on your information and permissions. Click on download your information, the second option. Click on request a download. Select your Instagram ID and click on the bottom next. Now just select the types of information, the second option. Now select messages and click on next. Now at first, to notify, you can just select your email address. Then you can just select the format HTML or JSON. After that, you can just select the media quality, high, medium or low, and you can just select the date range. You can select it for last week to all time, or you can custom it. After that, just click on submit request. And after submitting request, you will see an option like this, download. To download it, you need to just give your Instagram password. After giving your password, you will have a PDF file. In that PDF file, you can just read all of your deleted messages. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.